Hey guys, and welcome back. Miss Shouter here. Our learning target this week is to use addition to find the total number of objects arranged in rectangular arrays with up to 5 rows and up to 5 columns. Write an equation to express the total as a sum of equal addends. So what is an array, you ask? An array is a set that shows equal groups in rows and columns. So that means that each row has to have the same amount and each column has to have the same amount. So this is an array right here. This is an array of donuts, which is not a bad array if I must say so myself. So this array has 3 donuts in each column and it has 4 donuts in each row. So what is the equation part? Well, the equation that we're going to write is a repeated addition sentence. A repeated addition sentence is an equation that has repeated addends that match the array. So that means each number that we're adding has to be the same number. So for instance, we have 4 in each row. And so the equation, the repeated addition sentence to match that would be 4 plus 4 plus 4, and that equals 12. And I can also prove that too by skip counting it. 4, 8, 12. Okay, now we can actually do another repeated addition sentence for this array because we can look at what's in the columns. There's 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3, and that also makes 12. It's 3 4 times. 3, 6, 9, 12. And there you have it. Remember, when you see me go like this, that means for you to pause the video so that you can try to solve it yourself and then press play when you're ready to come back. All right, let's get started. Time for review. Erin has 17 eggs and wants to share it with her family. Socially distanced, of course. She wants to give each family member 2 eggs. Is 17 even or odd? Will she be able to give 2 eggs to each person without any left over? Explain how you know. Pause. Welcome back. Okay, so I'm going to put the 17 eggs into pairs and see if I have any left over. So I'll just draw little circles to show my eggs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. So it looks like 1 egg didn't have a partner. It didn't have a pair. So that tells me that 17 is an odd number. So will she be able to give 2 eggs to each person without any leftover? No, she won't be able to give 2 eggs to each person without any leftover because 17 is an odd number and there will be 1 without a pair. So she can't give it to everyone without any leftover. Awesome! Time for modeled. Write a repeated addition sentence for the array. How does a repeated addition sentence help us? Okay, so I'm going to look first. Actually, I can really write 2 repeated addition sentences for this. I can look at the rows and I can look at the columns. And so I'm going to first look at the rows. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I have 6 in this row. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 in this row and 6 in the last row. So that means 6 plus 6 plus 6 equals 18. And I know that if I skip count, 6, 12, 18. Or if I really didn't know, I could always just count it myself. Okay, so that's the repeated addition sentence for the rows. And now I have to do the columns. There's 3 and 3 and 3 and 3. So it looks like there's 3 6 times. So 1, 3, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 equals 18. So with this one, I had 3 6s. With this one, I had 6 3s. And there's my repeated addition sentences. And how does a repeated addition sentence help us? It helps us by making it more efficient to count, making it easier and quicker for us to count the total number. Awesome! Time for guided. Write a repeated addition sentence for the array. You can actually challenge yourself by doing 2 repeated addition sentences. Go ahead, try it. How does a repeated addition sentence help us? Pause. Welcome back. So first I'm going to look at my rows and see how many are in each row. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There's 5 in this row, and there are 4 rows. So that means I have to do 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5. 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5. That was 5 4 times. And if I skip count, I know 5, 10, 15, 20. So there are 20 squares total. And now, is that the only repeated addition sentence we can do? Maybe you did the columns. So how many are in each column? 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 in each column, and there are 5 columns. So I have to do 4 5 times. 4 plus 4. So that's 2 4s. 3, 4, 5. So 4, 8, 12, 16, 20. Look at that. And again, how does a repeated addition sentence help us? It helps us by making it more efficient and easier and quicker for us to count. Awesome! Time for quick check. Write a repeated addition sentence for the array. And you can also challenge yourself. Bonus, challenge yourself by doing 2 repeated addition sentences to match the array. How does a repeated addition sentence help us? So you can post it on Dojo. Can't wait to see what you guys come up with.